Hey y'all, so I have been locking my hair for 6 months now. This June made my 6 month lociversary, and I just wanted to try something different to celebrate my anniversary. Locks are very versatile, so I just wanted to show y'all how I did it.
She don't dance with the scrub, move your hands. She trying to find a man who can screw her right. Yeah. Damn, Dolce and Gabbana fragrance all on my body. Room full of sinners, but we all feeling godly. Design the system, mixed with Bacardi. Turn a good girl to...
So here I'm doing a deep condition after I have freshly washed my hair. I like to put the conditioner all throughout my scalp, and I don't forget the ends of my locks because I want that to be moisturized too. And then I take some aloe vera gel and I like to put that over all of the conditioner that I just used, just to seal in that moisture. Moisture is really key for me. I've been doing my research as much as possible on these locks, so I'm not playing about my moisture.
You don't know what to do with me.
I'm putting a cap on over my locks just to trap the heat in so that my scalp and my locks get really saturated, and I leave that on for about 15 minutes.
I ain't about to waste time. Heard from the grapevine, you a dog, no canine. Pink with the green line, in the AKA line. Vibe with the baseline.
Now that I've washed out all the conditioner aloe vera gel, I'm going to spray my scalp all over with my favorite oil concoction.
Design the system, mixed with Bacardi. Turn a good girl to a certified thotty. Looking for a hottie when I leash you ride shawty. Losing all the intuition in the middle of the party. Like, you don't know what to do with me. 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 You childish, so childish. Attitude on childish. Who down to tame a wildness? Don't take that as no challenge if you don't know what to do with me.
This time I'm going to be using the crochet method. Fun fact, I still have not allowed anyone to do any of my retwists. I don't know, I'm just nervous. So far nobody has touched my hair for 6 months.
Come alive when the moonlight. Don't be surprised when the mood right. She at the club with her best friend. They ain't twin, but they two alike. Pretty girls act too tight. You a dub if you too polite. She don't dance with the scrub, move your hands. She trying to find a man who can screw her right. Yeah. Damn, Dolce and Gabbana fragrance all on my body. Room full of sinners, but we all feeling godly. Design the system, mixed with Bacardi. Turn a good girl to a certified thotty. Looking for a hottie when I leash you ride shawty. Losing all the intuition in the middle of the party. Like, you don't know what to do with me. You don't know what to do with me.
You may not be able to see it that well, but I do have a routine where I put my favorite gel on my parts. I make sure my part is nice and clean. I twist the lock, and then I put the lock in the latch hook needle and pull it through. I don't like to make them too tight. I think the last month I retwisted my hair, I made it a little too tight. So this time I didn't have to use the latch hook method as much.
Grab her by the waistline. I ain't about to waste time. Heard from the grapevine, you a dog, no canine. Pink with the green line, in the AKA line. Vibe to the baseline. Let me see you vibe to the baseline. Yeah. Damn, Dolce and Gabbana fragrance all on my body. Room full of sinners, but we all feeling godly. Design the system, mixed with Bacardi. Turn a good girl to a certified thotty. Looking for a hottie when I leash you ride shawty. Losing all the intuition in the middle of the party. Like, you don't know what to do with me. You don't know what to do with me. You don't know what to do with me. You don't know what to do with me.
I usually like to crochet my locks twice for each lock, but since my last retwist was a little tight, I only crocheted the back once. But here you'll see me doing it twice because the new growth grows really fast in the front of my head.
Come alive when the moonlight. Don't be surprised when the mood right. She at the club with her best friend. They ain't twin, but they two alike. Pretty girls act too uptight. You a dub if you too polite. She don't dance with the scrub, move your hand. She tryna find a man who can screw her right. Yeah. Damn, Dolce and Gabbana fragrance all on my body. Room full of sinners.
Y'all, look at how satisfyingly slick this is. Like, look at this part. Look at the edges. Look at how laid down they are. Like, they're asleep. They're laid down. They look. This is so satisfying.
You don't know what to do with me. You don't know.
So now that all of my hair has been retwisted, I do like to twist all of the locks together just to stretch them out while they're drying. I don't use any dryers or salon at home dryers. I just let everything air dry. So I'm just going to stretch these for a little bit and then we'll get to styling.
Grab her by the waistline. I ain't about to waste time. Heard from the grapevine, you a dog, no canine. Pink with the green line, in the AKA line. Vibe to the baseline. Let me see you vibe to the baseline. Yeah. Damn, Dolce and Gabbana fragrance all on my body. Room full of sinners, but we all feeling godly. Design the system, mixed with Bacardi. Turn a good girl to a certified thotty. Looking for a hottie when I leash you ride shawty. Losing all the intuition in the middle of the party. Like, you don't know what to do with me. 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 You childish, so childish. Attitude on childish. Who down to tame a wildness? Don't take that as no challenge. If you don't know what to do with me. You don't know what to do with me.
Now that the foundation of the braid down is completed, I'm going to put a scarf on and take my butt to sleep. You can keep yours on for about 30 minutes. Just make sure that it's laid down. But I'm going to go to bed. My hair is freshly laid down. Not a hair out of place. Everything looks sleek. So now I'm going to turn the back of my head into like as small as possible of a bun that I can make, just so that my hair isn't showing through the synthetic hair that I'll be adding in.
All on my body, room full of sinners, but we all feeling godly. Design the system, mixed with Bacardi. Turn a good girl to a certified thotty. Looking for a hottie when I leave you ride shawty.
I'm only going to be using 2 of the 3 bundles that came in the pack. I did realize I made this a little more difficult for myself. I could have just took the 2 bundles out and put them together using the rubber band that they came with, but for some reason I kept them separate, so I'll just remember that for next time.
Down the tame of wildness, don't take that as no challenge if you don't know what to do with me.
As you can see, I am putting the hair on top of my ponytail, and I am using a hair tie to wrap the hair around my little bun that I made, so that when I let go, the hair will fall over my ponytail. And then I'm going to start bobby pinning everything into place.
Grab her by the waistline. I ain't about to waste time. Heard from the grapevine.
Once all pieces are secured, I am going to start separating the ends of the curls because they just look a little too refined for me. I like the messy look. I like the all natural thing. So I'm just going to separate it as much as needed.
Room full of sinners, but we all feeling godly. Design the system, mixed with Bacardi. Turn a good girl to a certified thotty. Looking for a hottie when I leave.
And this is the finished product. I got so many compliments on this. It's so versatile. I can't believe I pulled it off. I'm so excited about it. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.
Childish, so childish. Attitude on childish. Who down the tame of wildness? Don't take that as no challenge if you don't know what to do with me. You don't know what to do with me.